Welcome. If you want to personalize notifications in your Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, at the first, go for the settings. After that, you have to tap on the notifications. And right now, we are able to turn off the app icon badges, for example. And when you scroll down, you will be able to adjust notifications for every application that you have on your smartphone. So we can change it for the most recent to see all of them. And right now, if you want to turn off notifications for any of this app, for example, I'm going to do this for the Facebook, you have to just simply tap on the switcher. And if you want to get notifications back, you have to click it one more time. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.